When working with flexible metal conduit, oftentimes installers like to have a connector that screws directly into the ridges on the flexible metal conduit. For this reason, Garvin manufactures a wide variety of screw-in flexible metal conduit connectors for both Chicago plenum airtight applications and standard applications. Many times installers like to use these connectors with light fixtures that are installed in overhead ceilings. As you can see, the connectors have grooves that are cast right into the product that align with the grooves in the flexible metal conduit. You simply slide them over the wires, or they can be installed before the wires, which lines up with the ridges. They tighten in. This particular connector is for Chicago plenum, so it has a rubber sealing gasket and a provided locking mechanism, lock nut, for the inside of the enclosure. It can then be tightened on with a pair of pliers and installed into a conduit opening. We manufacture these screw-in connectors in a variety of sizes and styles, including 3/8, half, and 3/4, with or without an insulated throat. We also make them with a snap-in inner ring, so you don't need to utilize the standard locking nut on the inside of the box. And we also manufacture them in a coupling version when two pieces of cut flexible metal conduit need to be joined together to form a continuous raceway. For these and other great electrical, low voltage, and lighting products, join us online at garvinindustries.com.